welcome to the video tutorial channel of After Effects. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you use opacity to make your video fade in and fade out. So I'm going to import this PNG image on the top of this video because I want to grab is in front of this footage, and if I place this image right here, that it will go back to your footage. So place it above on the your video and press on this image, press shift key, grab this, and it will automatically adjust throughout the screen, throughout your video resolution. And then go to your video transform, click on opacity and turn this opacity to 0 and move this marker to here. Turn this opacity to 100. Move like this. Turn this opacity to 100, and by pressing shift key, turn this opacity to 0. Now what about this? So I'm going to my image, transform, press stopwatch on this and press 0 opacity to the, by pressing shift key, this marker will work as a magnet, and by pressing shift it will automatically shift to the another keyframe. So till here I need a logo to be removed. So till here I needed my logo to be removed, and this need to be 100%. So just take a look. This will automatically removed. Yeah, same thing we have to do here. Go to our presets and paste, make it 0 and make it 100. Yeah, video is completed. So thank you for watching. Now thank you for watching this video, and make sure you have subscribed my channel. I will upload tutorials on After Effects. Thank you.